Rosa M picks up her daughter from the bus stop in Hartford, Connecticut.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby. How was school?
Good, Mommy.
She has 3 beautiful children.
My kids, that's everything to me. So they give me, the power to feel like I could provide for my kids, and I don't need help from no one.
Rosa's life is good now, but not long ago, she was in a tough situation.
When you are home, a full-time parent, and you can't provide for your kids and have nothing to back you up, nothing to fall upon, you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, like you're drowning.
The father of her children was in jail, and she was living with her 3 young children in one tiny bedroom.
I had nothing going on for me. I had no high school diploma, I had no degree, I had nothing, no job, nothing at all.
She learned about Hartford Job Corps and decided to go for it, studying insurance and finance.
My whole life turned around. I had something to do. I was going to school, coming home, seeing my kids. Like it was working for me. It was giving me motivation to get somewhere in my life.
After graduating from the Hartford Center in 2017, she was connected with Journey Home, a nonprofit organization that helps low-income individuals with housing and employment. They helped Rosa get a job with Belcan, a leading aerospace company. She's worked there for 1.5 years and loves it.
Good morning, Belcan. I have a good job. I have a good car. I live in a great home. My kids are perfectly fine. If I want to go and buy something, I could. Belcan and Job Corps, I would say, it's kind of cliche, but they saved my life because before them, I was nobody.